Hey everyone, I just want to drop a quick video for you all on the first year anniversary of the release of my first cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. Because today, Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef, is now available on Amazon. Now, for this book, I have an ebook version that will retail for just $9.99. I also have available a black and white paperback version that will retail for $16.99. And finally, the full color paperback version will retail for $44.99. Now, I've said it before and I'll say it again. In my opinion, the best version is the ebook, as I know it's the best bang for your buck. Now, the link for all three versions will be available on this video or in the description box. And a special promotion I'm running starting today, and it'll last for just a week, is that for Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 1, the ebook version will retail for just $4.99. Now that's half off, but it only lasts for 1 week, so make sure you claim that while it still lasts. Cooking to me is all about the chance to see someone happy. If someone has enjoyed my food, that's good enough for me. If someone likes my food, that makes me happy. That's why I love cooking, and every time I do it, it motivates me to do more. And it's really my pleasure to share this new cookbook with you all, as well as my YouTube channel. And can I ask a favor of you all? Can you share this video so more people can hear about the release of my new cookbook? And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Vic Cuisine. Tell a friend, tell a family member, it's always free to subscribe. That way you won't miss when I release some of the recipes from Volume 2 on my channel as well. Thank you everyone for all your support along the way. I'm really proud of this release, and I can't wait for you guys to try some of these new recipes from this cookbook. Thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoy Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. Thank you.